Recently, my computer's hard drive failed, so I set out to find a new iMac. Somewhere along the way, I found out that you do not need suction cups to remove the screen. And at that point, I decided it might be fun to try it myself and also at the same time replace the hard drive. So first, to remove the screen, all you need is some tape. Make sure it is on there pretty good and slowly lift. The magnet should give way and the glass should pop right out. Once out, make sure to set it aside someplace safe. I picked up a 23-piece tool set in order to have the proper tools for the job. You now will want to remove the door to where your iMac's memory is stored. Now it's time to get some of the screws out. Using the star T8 bit, go around and remove the screws. Note that the two bottom middle screws are longer than the rest, so at least keep track of that. I myself usually place the screws in the same order place as if they were in the computer. Makes life easier when it's time to put everything back together. Now remove the case. Make sure to disconnect the camera wire. In my case, it easily disconnected itself. More screws to get the LCD display free and to be able to get underneath to the hard drive. At this point, I found that the two circled wires can be disconnected before moving the LCD display. The smaller one on the left is just an easy disconnect, and the one on the right, I used the star T6 bit, removed two screws, and then easily disconnected it. And then this is the last part to be disconnected before you can get the LCD free. From the hard drive, disconnect the thin wire. Then, with some force, lift up the hard drive and remove from its compartment. You also have to disconnect two more connectors to set the drive free. Here are the new WD Blue 1TB drive and the original broken 320GB drive. You now have to transfer over the stuff from the old drive to the new drive so that it can go back into the designated space inside your iMac. The new drive is now installed. Don't forget to reattach all of the connectors and wires and put everything back together in the reverse order of taking it apart. This actually turned out to be a fun project, and one that saved me some serious money on a potential new iMac purchase. Hopefully you found this interesting, or at least semi-helpful. If you have any comments, please leave them below. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hopefully you will be back for my next video.